Hello, my name is Janice Taylor and my business is Blue Sky Career Consulting, and I work with women, coaching them towards success in their careers. And today what I'd like to talk about is a TED Talk I've just watched by a philosopher called Ruth Chan. I've not heard of her before, but I was intrigued by the title of her talk, which was How to Make Hard Choices, how to decide which person you're going to marry, how to decide which career you're going to follow. I thought it was really interesting, so I watched this and I thought she made some interesting points that when we try and reduce our choices, and try and take that sort of scientific approach to them, one choice is always going to be better than the other, or worse, or the same. She said that's not necessarily that helpful. What might be more helpful is to look at them as being on a par. And that it's really about the reasons that we can create ourselves to make a choice. And I thought that was really interesting, the idea that we really are the authors of our own stories, and sometimes we just need to stand behind our own choices and create those reasons to make them. So that's all I wanted to say today.